How to recover old WhatsApp messages without backup. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can recover your old WhatsApp messages without backup. So first of all, just open your file manager, and after that just click on device storage, and here just click on Android, and after that just click on media, and on this page just look for com.whatsapp and just click on it, and after that just click on WhatsApp. Now you have to click on database, and you will see all these files right here. You just have to select all these files, and after that and just click on this three dot icon at the bottom right corner and click on copy, and after that just click on Android again and then click on media, and after that just click on com.whatsapp and click on WhatsApp again, and after that just click on backup. And now you just have to paste all the copies on backup, and your old messages will be recovered without creating any backup through your database. So this is how you will recover your old WhatsApp messages without making a backup. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.